Recruiters say one of their biggest frustrations is poor preparation by job applicants. They haven't done their homework on the employer or the job's requirements. Well-prepared applicants do a better job interviewing. They excel at addressing the employer's needs. Simply put, they do a better job selling themselves. Now, in this competitive job market, an applicant who touches these points is more likely than not to be selected. But there's another important reason to be prepared. The prospective employer is often not prepared. Applicants frequently report that interviewers have not even read their resume. One reason the new hire turnover rate is so high in the first 24 months is shoddy recruiting and inept screening by employers. If you are prepared and the employer is not, that can be a powerful advantage.